In the last Fetch or FET AI crypto price prediction, I gave you a short and long scenarios. Right here I said if we go here, we short these levels because this will liquidate all the weak stop losses of bears. We took that trade, we took it all the way down for 2.5%, and then we waited for confirmation, longed, and entered at VWAP. We exited for break even. So right now, yes, if we could have held, we would have made like another 2%, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So right now, what we're doing is we're gonna be trying to figure out what are the scenarios. Especially, let's start with the daily chart. I won't waste a second of your time. We've been rejecting from the EMAs. You can see that this yellow EMA right here, we've been rejecting from it on and on and on. So I do believe that right here we will have a bearish day. So I want to mark it out on the chart. I think today is going to be a bearish day. How bearish? Very likely to 5937. It's not too bearish, 2%, but yeah, we're definitely short biased, right? The next thing we'll do is we want to mark out what potential trades we can take, and I would be interested in taking shorts from here to the downside as we're liquidating these weak highs here and here and here, where this is where a lot of traders will have their stop losses at. So that's basically the strategy for FET. Let me know your thoughts. If you use the links in the description down below, you can actually sign up for my course, also for my signals chat, made everything pretty affordable. And also there's 8 grand in bonuses from BingX if you want to sign up. See you next video. Bye.